Welcome back to Just One Question. This is Neelakshi Sengupta in conversation with the multi-talented Brian Tellis. Brian, in our last chat, you told us how you had started in the world of entertainment. You are an entrepreneur. You have a successful business that you run. And you have to be really passionate to find time to do all the additional things that you do. What is it that keeps you going back to the stage again and again? What inspires you?
It's the same thing that inspires me to go back to music, to go back to anchoring, to go back to radio. I love the adrenaline rush that I get when I'm on stage or behind a microphone. I think it's really invigorating, it's really exciting, and I actually thrive on that proverbial knot in the tummy. I love the lights. I don't know how else to say it. I love the buzz. I love the stress of being on stage and having to get it right. There's a certain energy and a certain satisfaction that it brings out that is difficult to explain, and I love it.
But have you had to take a break anytime to separate business and passion?
So I've had a kind of story. I had to take a step back from theatre, if you want, because we gave birth collectively. Me and my partners gave birth to Fountainhead, and happily it occupied us. And so I had to take a step back from the performing arts, at least as a performer. But we kept our passion alive by actually trying to give birth to newer projects and induct performing art into whatever we did. Until more recently, 4 years ago, I think it was, when I got approached to audition for a role in Beauty and the Beast, which was being done, as we all know, by Disney. And I made the cut and completely enjoyed myself. I've got to say this, that I realized what I was missing out on when I actually got involved in Beauty and the Beast.
And that must have brought many old friends and colleagues back together. Beauty and the Beast, I'm told, really scouted out the most talented ones from across the country. How was the experience?
And very coincidentally, the closest co-actor in my role was Bugs. Many decades later, at least 3 decades later, we were back on stage and together. And what a privilege that is. So we did Beauty and the Beast, and like I said, completely enjoyed that experience. And then went on more recently to play a part in Sing India Sing, which is a production that I'm extremely proud of, both individually and collectively as a team in Orange Juice, because I'd like to believe that as far as English musicals are concerned, it was the first really strong, ground-up original musical out of India. From the thought to the storyline to everything else was completely local. And so, like I said, it's a production that has gone on to earn a lot of accolades, and hopefully will have a bit of sustainability going forward, but a wonderful musical. So yeah, that's more or less been the theatre story, or the musical theatre story. And then of course, a couple of other areas that I chose to kind of create extensions, which were radio and anchoring, performances of other kinds. I had an acoustic band back in the day, where we did covers, of course, not original music.
It has been such a wonderful journey, Brian. One that had started with that little boy auditioning for the role of a war prisoner in Barbed Wire Blackboard, to Sing India Sing. And there'd be many others to come ahead. So theatre, particularly musical theatre, is now a big area you might be looking into?
So I believe theatre was the pivot. Musical theatre was the pivot. But there were some wonderful extensions that I just mentioned that came out of being on stage. And the largest advantage that I continue to enjoy, that I must thank theatre for, is just the person I am. It just made me a shinier, happier person, and I'm eternally grateful.
Yes, and this is the message I'd like to share with my listeners today. Performing arts does make one a happier lot. And many have said that to me. Theatre has helped personalities develop. Music has helped ease stress in life. We need a world where art takes more and more center stage. Thank you so much, Brian. I will be back with many more queries. Some technical, some related to sustainability, and some about the future and new pivots. Very, very soon. This is Neelakshi Sengupta, and you have been listening to Just One Question.